your bags, people. Pack your bags. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J. Smith here. Today is going to be a fun video, you guys, because today we are going to be talking about the new products that marykay launched for the winter 2019. I'm so excited, you guys. Check out the new winter lookbook that marykay launched, and we have great new products that have been making waves, okay, in the beauty industry. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, well, I'm glad you are here. Welcome to my channel. We're going to talk about it. We're going to play with them. We're going to swatch, and we're going to have a lot of fun. But yeah, if you have a beauty consultant, you probably already received the new winter lookbook in the mail from her, and this lookbook comes with a sample. That's our marykay Time Rise Repair Deep Wrinkle Filler. This is a great product to try if you haven't tried it, and I'm super excited that marykay put a sample in here for our customers to try, okay? If you got deep wrinkles, this is gonna help fill them out. Definitely a product you wanna check with your beauty consultant. So yeah, super excited. marykay came out with great new products. They came out with this awesome product here, the marykay Hydrogel eye patches. This product was featured in Good Morning America by our marykay Global Beauty Ambassador, Louis Costco.
They're the new marykay Hydrogel eye patches. It's right. See, they go right under the eye. The little pink shimmery gel literally will hydrate, soothe, and awaken the under eye. I mean, what time do you get up in the morning?
Early.
It was super fun to see Louise demo our products on the model on the show. So today we're gonna be trying that out. And I'm not gonna be doing it alone. I have a guest that's coming on my channel. Y'all ready? Let's have some fun. So guys, my hobby's back on my channel. We are going to be trying out the new Hydrogel eye patches from marykay. And fun fact about this product, if you guys don't know, you can actually stick it in your fridge. So it's nice and cool. You feel that?
This
nice.
has been in the fridge?
Yeah. Because, you know, it's a product that's great to depuff the eyes, okay? And, you know, gives super hydration under the eyes. So this product also hydrates, cools, helps to depuff, and also soothes the under eye. So yeah, when you get your eye patch, okay, from your beauty consultant, it does come with these cute little like spatulas, all right? And what's great about this product is that you get 30 pairs in here. Not 30 pieces, but 30 pairs, which I think is great for the price point.
So that's 60.
That's right. So that's
60 pieces.
60 pieces, exactly. This jar retails for $40. Now this is a great product to, you know, definitely get for yourself. Something you could definitely gift to your loved one for the holiday, because this is holiday gift giving season. So yeah, that's the product right there.
It has a little yin yang design to it.
Yin yang.
Yeah. It's sparkly, so guys love sparkles.
Yes, men can use this product, which is why, you know, Josh is here, because I want to show the guys out there that, you know, you can use this product too. And, you know, think of it as a great, you know, fun spa thing you can do as a couple, all right? So that's the eye patch right there, okay? It's kind of jelly, jiggly.
So does this count as our date night, doing this together then?
Yeah. Date night. So, did you want me to put it on for you?
I have no idea how to do this.
All right, so I'm going to help him out. You see the shape of the product right there. So, we're going to put one on one eye for him. Okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Oh, nice and cool.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah. Calm down. We're not going to blind you.
And you leave these on for how many hours?
20 minutes.
Oh,
yeah,
20
you just
minutes.
Put it on, leave it on for 20 minutes. Okay.
Wow. It's that sensation of that night, that cold.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That's what's great, because that's why, you know, you can put it in your fridge.
So do you need to put it in the fridge?
You don't. You
okay.
don't. But, you know, it's a nice.
Just adds more to it.
Yeah.
What if you don't have puffy eyes? Would you still use these?
Oh, absolutely. I would definitely use this even if you don't have puffy eyes, because it has so much hydration. It's a moisture boost for your under eye. Yeah, I got my patches on. I like it. Do you like it so far?
It feels cool.
Yeah, it's nice and cool. And, you know, just something you can just slap on in the morning or at nighttime to give your tired eyes some moisture and, you know, just relax. I think it's pretty cool. This product was also inspired by Korean beauty, and, you know, I think it's super fun, super easy to use. Anyone can use this. So another product I think is great that you can pair with this product is the marykay Indulge Soothing Eye Gel. This is the product right here. Okay, this is another great product that's great for soothing the eyes, That's great to help to depuff. And I love it so much because it just looks like the ocean. Look at that. It's got botanical extracts, okay? And this you can also stick in your fridge. When you're done, you know, using the eye patches, you definitely want to follow with your eye creams, okay? And Mary Kay has great eye creams that you can choose from. One of my faves is Alzheimer's Repair Volume Firm eye cream, and I love this one so much because it has an alloyed tip applicator, which is also great for depuffing the eyes, and it's very cooling too. Another product you can definitely use is our Time Rise 3D eye cream. It helps moisturize the eyes for 12 hours, so when you use it twice a day, morning and nighttime, you get 24 hours of moisture and hydration under the eye, and this helps with dark circles, you know, wrinkles under the eye, puffiness, and helps to firm the eye area. The eyes are very important, right? Because that's usually the first
the windows to the soul.
Right. That's true, actually. It is the windows to the soul, right? Our eyes tell a story. It's how we show expression. We smile, we laugh, we cry. You know, it shows every emotion that we feel, and that's usually where the early signs of aging start to show. So, which is why hydration and moisture are very, very important for our under eye area. So don't skip out on using eye cream. Okay, no matter what you do, you're never too young to start using eye cream.
So eye cream is like your retirement plan. It's never too young to start saving for the future.
That's true.
So 401ks and eye creams. Start right now.
Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. And I love how it has this little, you know, like flecks of shimmer in it. I think it just makes it look so bougie. So bougie and so
Yeah.
fancy.
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 Yeah.
Yeah. Our 20 minutes is up. So let's take it off. Just pull it. You can pull it from the sides or wherever is comfortable for you. Yeah.
Hello, Clarice.
There
A
you
nice
go.
Chianti and some fava beans. It was from Silence of the Lambs.
Just so you know, these eye patches are not reusable, because I'm sure someone's going to ask in the comments. They're not reusable. You use them one time and you're done with them. So when you're done, you know, you can just massage whatever serums is left. So when you're putting, you know, products under the eye, you got to use the ring finger. And you can kind of do like a tapping motion as opposed to like a pulling and tugging. There you go.
Pop, 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 pop.
Let's put on our eye cream. You definitely want to follow with your eye cream after using your Hydrogel eye patches. Okay, and I'm just going to gently apply my eye cream with my ring finger. And the reason you want to use your ring finger is because that's the finger that has the least amount of pressure. Okay?
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
So how does your under eye feel just as you're putting the eye cream on? What do you notice? Do you notice any difference?
It feels tight. It doesn't feel like it's saggy or anything.
Okay.
It feels like the skin of a baby. Yeah.
Yeah, my under eye does look it looks very hydrated. I look very, it looks very smooth.
So I would say the negative side effects of using this is that when you're tired and you complain, you say, "Look, I am so tired. I got no," it doesn't show on your face, so no one's gonna believe you when you say that you haven't slept. I haven't slept well in so long. I up all night long because of this or that, or I have insomnia, and then you wear this. No one's gonna believe you because your skin, you have no bags under your eyes.
No bags.
Yeah.
Pack your bags, people. Pack your bags. Pack your bags, Josh.
This is why when you say you didn't sleep well, like the kids kept you up, I'm like, I don't believe, I don't, because you don't have no bags under your eyes. Does this do the same thing as this?
This gives you like an instant result, I guess I would say.
Okay.
Okay? And this is something over time. It's more of a routine.
So preventative care, and this is emergency room visit.
You know, when you have a party to go to, or the high school reunion, or that Christmas party that's coming up,
Okay.
or that New Year party that's coming up, you know, this is your quick pick-me-up. And again, just like the Time Rise Repair Biocellulose Lifting Mask, you know, for that instant moisture boost for your skin, for that instant lift and that instant firming, you know, years younger, instantly. That's what, you know, like the biocellulose mask does. And of course, with beauty products, you have to remember consistency is key. And Mary Kay recommends that you use this twice a week to help, you know, give you, you know, long-term results. My eyes look great. Like, I don't know. They look so nice, like smooth.
Your eyes look beautiful. They always look beautiful.
Thank you.
I get lost in your soulful eyes.
Yeah, I love this product. I really love them. I think, you know, it's something you should definitely think about getting, you know, get for yourself, give as a gift, you know, use it for you and your boo. And even when you're just chilling and watching some shows, your favorite shows.
If you're Netflixing and chilling.
Netflixing and chilling.
Yeah. Hashtag Netflix and chill.
Netflix and chill. No.
MK and chill.
MK and chill. There you go. Yeah. So it's definitely a great product and I love it. Okay, you guys, so we'll let Josh go and I just quickly put my face on. You guys already know my foundation routine, but in case you don't know, I'm going to leave a link to makeup tutorials and you can see how I do my foundation routine. So now let's move on because we do have some other new exciting products. So another product I want to talk about is this beautiful travel roll-up bag, which is gorgeous. Basically, they just revamped the design on the bag. Now it has beautiful hearts on it and you know, who doesn't love hearts, right? And what's great about this bag is that it's great to give as a gift because it has 4 pockets, as you can see, which you know is great for travel. And what I love about it too is that they detach. Okay, you see that? So it's something that you might want to consider, you know, to get for yourself this holiday season or to gift. But I love it. What I put in here is our satin collection. It comes with your satin lips, your satin hand collection, your satin body collection. So that's a product you definitely want to look into. So another product that they brought back, okay, they listened to us. I love marykay because, you know, they listen to our Salesforce team. But hold on, y'all. I can't get over how smooth my under eye is right now. Listen, that eye patch definitely did something. My makeup under my eyes is looking super smooth, and that's because it's so hydrated, okay? Hydration is key when it comes to your under eye. So marykay also came out with new limited edition matte lipsticks. This product came out last year, and they were fire, okay? Like people went crazy. I especially went crazy for the red color. And I do have a video on that, which I'm gonna link right here in the card so you can go check it out. I did that with my sister consultant. But they relaunched those lipsticks again this season. Although last season it was 4 lipsticks, this season they brought out just 3. I don't have the purple shade, which is the grassy violet, but I will be swatching the 2 that I do have here with me, which is Pure Matilio and Red Roma, which are colors I absolutely love, and you're gonna see just why I love these colors. So this is Red Roma, you guys. It's beautiful. Look at that, you guys. This is Red Roma, and you can see why it's like one of my favorites. And I'm super happy that they brought this back. I was even praying that they will bring this back into our regular line, but you know, at least they brought it back for us for the holiday season. So it's gorgeous, and it's a beautiful red for Christmas. You know, a great red for whenever. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Next is Pure Matilio. Oh, love this. Sexy. Yes, honey, we have arrived. That's exactly how this lipstick makes me feel. Makes me feel like money, honey. Makes me feel like money. So that is Pure Matilio, and you can see why I'm obsessed with this lip color. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Thank you, marykay, for bringing this lippies back. You guys are awesome because I love these colors. So that is it, you guys. That's Pure Matilio, and I love it. So comment down below, let me know what lipstick is your favorite from the 3 colors that marykay came out with. Let me know what you think about these products I shared with you today. Let me know what your thoughts are on the new marykay Hydrogel eye patches. Again, remember, you get 30 pairs in this jar, so which means you get 60 pieces, which is awesome, and they retail for $40, and the lippies retail for $18 each, and our travel roller bag retails for $35 unfilled. Okay, so you get to put whatever you want in there. But ladies, hint hint, this is a great gift, you know, for you for the holiday. So, you know, let your man know that you want the spa bundle. Okay, I want the guys out there to know that marykay does have products for men, and our skincare line do work for men too, which is why, you know, I wanted him to come on here to show you guys, you know, that, yeah, men can use the patches too, not just for the ladies. So that is it, you guys. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell button at the corner so you get notified every time I upload. And, you know, please share this content. Sharing is caring, sharing is love, sharing is free, and sharing shows that you support my channel. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.